Welcome to a holiday episode of Mixology Monday. It's the last drink of the year. Christmas is behind us. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted. I know I did. I got Jordan here. I'm Robbie. We're making the New Year's cocktail for you. What are we doing today, Jordan?
Today we are making the Basil 75, which is our take on the classic cocktail, the French 75.
Nice. Yeah, instead of gin, we're going to be using our Basil rum. So we're doing this in a shaker. The first step will be to add ice.
Yep.
All right, so I've got ice in the glass. What's next, Jordan?
Next we're going to add 1 ounce of lemon juice.
All right, so the way I always figure this is 1 ounce of lemon juice is 1 lemon. Easy peasy.
Yep.
Look at that lemon zest. Man, that's pretty. Hopefully the camera picks that up for you folks at home. All right, we got our lemon in there.
Yep. Next we would add a 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice, but since it's for 2, we're doing a full ounce.
All right, so 1 ounce of cranberry juice. There, nice and pretty in the pot. All right, got our cranberry juice and now rum, right?
Now rum. We're going to go with our Basil Carolina Rum.
Basil rum.
Maybe 1.5 ounces for 1, so we're going to go with 3 ounces here.
3 ounces. Tom Cruise, baby.
May I just give her a shake?
All right, easy enough. I love doing this on Mixology Monday. Okay, so we've got our stuff shaken up. Now we're going to distribute that. I'm going to strain this into our champagne flutes. Try to hit that little hole on the bottom.
Good.
Booze on booze here, baby. That's how you start the new year off right. And we're gonna add some
top her off
Prosecco to this. Aim it at the camera. Jordan, this is looking pretty good.
Looks good, I'm ready.
Garnish
with
this.
some lemon and cranberry.
There you have it, folks. What a great way to ring in the new year, going into 2022. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to all of our other social media. You're definitely gonna wanna keep up with things we have going on. We're growing like crazy. We're just doing awesome things as the oldest rum distillery in the Carolinas. Cheers. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.